Okay.
Nice.
All right. The next step, and remember, Google is our friend, right?
Absolutely.
So now I'm going to show you how to make life super easy. Okay. So notice we have this thing called Auto DJ.
Ooh,
All right. Auto DJ is your friend.
I
Okay.
bet. I bet.
Yeah. So I'm going to come down here and pick another set, right? And now I go, you know what? I know I want to play this stuff. So let's just start adding it to the Auto DJ queue from the top or
Nice.
from the bottom.
Okay.
Okay. Or I can replace something. You know, I've never even done that. I don't know. I guess from the last thing I just did, right? And so I can just start and I can just start to build my auto DJ. Okay. And so then when I come up here to auto DJ, I have songs listed in there.
Okay.
Okay. And so then there's a button, shuffle the content. Here we go. So notice that there's a power button here, right?
Yes.
And oh, this is important. I can decide if I want the full intro and outro, or I can decide I want to fade at the outro start. I can play the full track. I can skip silence in the track, right? There are all those things I can do. I'm lazy. I just do it this way, full intro and outro. And then I can change this. I can change it to 6 seconds instead of 4, which means that's how big the overlap is going to be, right? Now, where that gets important is when you are doing your timing on this, okay? You want to make sure that when you're doing your timing, you are accounting for your overlap,
And is
right?
that to add like a little voice overlap or?
Well, you can add voice or you can pick other songs, or
Okay.
you can say, oh, I really want to play these 3 more songs, so I'm going to drop it down to 4, right? Whatever it is. Okay. And so then I'm just going to play auto DJ. Bam.
Hi, it's Kim. Sorry, our YouTube video got flagged because we were using music that was copyrighted. So I was unable to use the original video, so I had to make some inserts. So one of the questions that came up during the original video was, can you take requests while auto DJing? While auto DJing? And the answer is yes. So I'm going to set up my auto DJ with these 3 songs, popping them in auto DJ. Now we're in auto DJ. So we press play. And let's just bring the music really low so you can hear me. And our first 2 songs are in the decks. And somebody makes a request. So I go to whatever folder. I'm going to go to my device. My stuff is in music. No copyright. And another way to add music to your auto DJ. So say they want you got a request for delayed baggage. So you're going to click on it, right click, and add to auto DJ queue at the bottom. Click that. Now when we go to auto DJ, we can see delayed baggage at the bottom of our lineup. So yes, the answer is yes, you can take requests while auto DJing.